Welcome to Holly's Quiet Harbor. Take a deep breath and let your mind begin to rest. Welcome. Find a comfortable position, seated or lying down. Take a deep breath in and a long, slow breath out. Allow your body to soften as if the tension of the day is melting away. Feel the weight of your body resting into stillness. With each breath, imagine you're stepping out of the noise and into peace. Breathe in calm, breathe out release. Now, imagine yourself standing at the gates of Butchart Gardens as the sun begins to dip below the horizon. The air is cool and sweet, touched with the scent of roses, lavender, and fresh rain. The gates open quietly, inviting you inside. You step onto a winding path lined with flowers of every color. Violet tulips, golden daffodils, pale pink peonies swaying gently in the evening breeze. Your footsteps are soft against the gravel. As you walk, your breath finds an easy rhythm. Inhale, exhale. As the day's weight begins to lift, you feel gratitude rising quietly within you, as though each petal reflects back a sense of calm and belonging. You notice the soft hum of bees, the delicate sound of a fountain nearby, the rustle of leaves overhead. Everything is alive, yet perfectly still. With every breath, let go of the day's noise. With every step, walk deeper into serenity. The path leads you to a breathtaking sight. The sunken garden spread out before you, its terraces overflowing with blossoms. You descend the steps slowly, feeling as though you're moving into the heart of peace itself. A gentle mist hangs over the water lilies in the pond. You find a bench tucked beneath a canopy of hydrangeas and sit quietly. The last light of day glows gold against the petals, and the world feels hushed, reverent. Here, you allow yourself to breathe in the beauty of stillness. The colors around you deepen as twilight begins. Crimson, amber, indigo. The worries of the day feel far away now, softened by the quiet of the garden. As dusk settles, you follow a small wooden sign that reads, Butterfly Conservatory. You step through the doors and are greeted by warm, fragrant air, the scent of orchids and nectar. The sound of trickling water greets you, mingled with gentle wings fluttering in the air. You pause and look around. Butterflies drift gracefully through beams of soft light, emerald, sapphire, and pearl. One lands lightly on your hand. Its wings shimmer like stained glass. You hold still, breathing with it, both of you suspended in quiet harmony. All around, life moves gently, colorful wings. Slow koi swimming below the bridge. A parrot calling softly in the distance. This is a sanctuary of ease and renewal. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine yourself surrounded by thousands of tiny wings, each one carrying peace, beauty, and stillness. With every breath, you feel lighter, calmer, more open. The butterflies swirl above you like fragments of light until you can't tell where your breath ends and their flight begins. When you step outside again, twilight has deepened. Lanterns glow along a narrow path leading to the Japanese garden. You follow, your steps slow and soft, as if you're gliding. A small stream runs beside you, its voice soothing and low. bridges arch gracefully over the water, and koi drift beneath them, their scales glinting gold in the lantern light. The scent of cedar and moss fills the air. You pause beneath a maple tree, its leaves rustling in the evening breeze. Take a deep breath here. You've released the heaviness of the day. You've come home to stillness, beauty, and grace. As you reach the edge of the garden, the first stars appear overhead. Fireflies begin to glow along the path, their light small but steady. You take one last look around, this sacred space of calm and color, and feel deep gratitude for its peace. You begin to walk slowly back toward the entrance, the sounds of night softly rising around you. Crickets, gentle waves, the faint call of an owl. You carry the light of the garden within you now, the calm of the pond, the warmth of the lanterns, the grace of butterfly wings. Return your awareness to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. Feel the calm weight of your body resting again in the present moment. Breathe in the peace of the gardens. Breathe out any remnants of the day. You are grounded, restored, and surrounded by quiet beauty. The calm you found here remains within you, always ready to be recalled whenever you need rest or renewal. Take one more slow, full breath and gently open your eyes.